from Hilo, Hawaii, the Merry Monarch Festival. And we welcome, all the way from the other end of the island chain, from Kapa'a, Kauai, Kumuhula Lavi Abana, and Hula Halao o Lena Ala.
Lovey has chosen for her ladies tonight to do a brand new composition by Dennis Kamakahi of the Sons of Hawaii. It's a song that speaks of the four winds of Molokai, Na Makani e Ha, for our friendly isle.
The Western influence of the Punio style has been a great part of Hawaii. To the late Uncle Feet Rogers, a song composed by Mr. Dennis Kamakahi talks of the four winds that bring us all together here to the Merry Monarch Festival. May we share from the island of Kauai our song selection entitled Na Makani e Ha.
ke ko'olau kamakani e ha Upolo nei nui a ina Pori mai au ia nei Ka ulawei o ke ko'olau kamakani
Judges tonight, George Miley, Ka'upena Wong, George Holkai, Kalena Silva, Wayne Keahi Chang, and Antikau Izudameister. They're deciding from last night and tonight who is going to be the winner of this 21st annual Merry Monarch Festival. Just getting off stage tonight from Kapa'akaua'i's Laviapana's halau is a young lady who I just want to ask your reaction to your tonight's performance. How do you feel?
Tonight's performance of us was very, very good. We didn't expect to do this good, but we did. And in Kauai, no ka'oi.
Your name is?
Melissa Kehaulani Ragasa.
And where, oh, you are the Miss Alahahula.
Yeah.
How did you feel about your Miss Alahahula performance?
It was good, exciting, an experience for me. It was really good.
Can you tell me, if you can look over here at the monitor, how you felt about your performance tonight?
It's something we've practiced for a very long time, and it took a lot of hard work to do.
Can you kind of tell me how many hours you put into this?
Well, see, we've been practicing since January, and we practice like 3 to 4 hours a night, 5 times a week.
And why did you choose Dennis Kamakahi's Nawakani Eha? Is that a choice of Lovey's or?
Yeah, a choice of Lovey's and her sister Bev.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Mahalo. Kimo, more of the action?
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, in the Kane division, this time